Hello dear ones, order the following expression from least to the greatest. Since the base numbers are not the same and the indices are not the same, we have to find the LCM of the denominator so we can get the equivalent values of the indices. Right. The LCM of 2, 3, and 6 is equal to 6. So if we say that a raised to power 6 is equal to 2 raised to power 6 and b raised to power 6 is equal to 3 raised to power 1 over 3 all raised to power 6 and c raised to power 6 is equal to 6 raised to power 1 over 6 all raised to power 6. Now from here, 2 will divide itself and divide 6 to get 3. 3 will divide itself and divide 6 to get 2. 6 will divide itself and divide itself to get 1. From this expression we have 2 raised to power 3, which is equal to 8. From here we have 3 raised to power 2, which is equal to 9. And from here we have 6 raised to power 1, which is equal to 6. Now, to compare from least to the greatest, the least is 6 raised to power 1 over 6, which is less than, that is 2 raised to power 1 over 2, and this is less than 3 raised to power 1 over 3. The same way, it means that C is the least, followed by A, and then the greatest is B.